we live witnessing not so much of the present, but of the resurrection that is to come. That is why for these martyrs, ang buhay nila ay hindi nagtapos nung sila ay executed. Because after the execution, when they expired, the witness to the resurrection stood clearer. And so, their blood became the seed of the church. Sana, we will not be fooled that life ends with our breathing. But there is something that bridges us to God, and that is the call of the martyrs, the call of witnessing to the resurrection.